Hi, my name is Patty Fonsalida, and I want to say a few words about Dr. Forman. I started seeing Dr. Forman about 7-8 weeks ago. I came to see him primarily because a friend referred me for some similar issues that I was struggling with like mental fogginess and inability to just feel good all the time. I had a lot of pain in my body, a lot of inflammation. So I figured I would give it a shot and see if this is something that would work for me to make me feel better in my body and in my mind. And I can tell you from the bottom of my heart that the last 7 weeks have completely changed the way that I feel. I'm able to sleep through the night. I don't have tingling in my hands and my feet. My head feels a lot clearer. I feel like I'm way more focused, and the pain in my body is starting to really get alleviated. So a million words of thanks to Dr. Forman for all that he's done for me these last 7 weeks. I'm looking forward to the next few months together with him. And if you have any doubt, if you have anything that is getting in the way of you physically and mentally, I highly recommend Dr. Forman. He can definitely get you to where you want to be.